Hello, another AQA A-level physics question from the particles topic. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. So which row gives the numbers of baryons and leptons in an atom of carbon-12? Well, let's just remind ourselves what these numbers mean. That number there is the number of protons, it's called the atomic number, and that number on the top is the number of protons and neutrons, the atomic mass. And if it's an atom and not an ion, then the number of protons will be the same as the number of electrons. And then we just need to remind ourselves what protons are and what electrons are. Well, protons, you should know they're baryons. If you don't, you can look it up on your data booklet that you're given in the exams. So every proton is a baryon, but also every neutron is a baryon. So there are 12 baryons. So it has to be answer B. Let's just have a look what leptons are. Leptons, we've got neutrinos, electrons, muons. Well, we know an atom has electrons in. It's got the same number of protons, so there's 6 electrons. So B is correct. If you found this video useful, please click that subscribe button, give me a like, share with friends, and watch more in the series. Thank you.